startup. It's from Bulgaria, and it's IMAGGA. And IMAGGA does image recognition and then use machine learning to sort of learn through the API.
CEO of IMAGGA. Okay, hello everybody. I'm Georgi, co-founder and CEO of IMAGGA. IMAGGA is a cloud API that enables businesses and developers to develop apps that understand images. So we suggest a set of keywords that describe the key objects and concepts of interest represented visually inside the image. So let's start first with the problem. In the last 3 years, only in the last 3 years has been taken more photos than in the whole previous history of photography. And on a daily basis, we have like 2 billion photos shared, and most of them are just forgotten in about 30 minutes because photos don't have metadata associated with them, and thus the photos are not searchable, barely useful, and even less than that, monetizable. So the problem that we tackle is to how to make these photos findable, understandable, and you can derive value out of that. The solution that we have is an automated tagging API, and it replaces the need of manual annotation of photos, which is either very time or resource consuming, and we make this process automatic, so the images after that could be searchable, or you can extract some kind of trends out of them. So here's just one example of how we suggest tags for this particular image, like dragonfly, insect, plant. In addition to the suggestion of the tags, we have something that we call auto-categorization, and it automatically assigns photos to categories. So let's say personal photos, like portrait photos, natural photos, beach photos, event and party photos, and so on. The technology behind is based on beyond state-of-the-art deep neural network learning, and we have a large set of categories, and we can suggest 30 to 40 keywords for each given image with high relevance. Among many different, I would say, exciting use cases, some of the most prominent are application in cloud services or value-added services where we enable the people to search photos based on our tagging technology, but also in advertising, in digital asset management, and in contextual advertising and user profiling. The business model is either cloud-based self-service API or enterprise that's on-premise. And I can say since we started in the beginning of this year, we already have pretty solid traffic organically from Europa, America, Latin America, and Asia. And we have several very big enterprise customers in advertising and in cloud services, with total projected revenue for that year of $300,000 US. We're just opening for Series A because we want to expand with physical presence in the US and also expand the growth of the company so we can eventually achieve our vision to be in image recognition as a service what Amazon is for web services. Last but not least, our team consists of 8 highly motivated people with expertise in software development, image recognition, content marketing, and usability. So if you're interested in our solution, I'll be happy to chat right after at the parties or tomorrow. Thank you.
Hi. Who is your customers?
Who are, in particular, or in verticals?
Like, do you have a focused customer segment? Yeah. Who are using? You say the advertisement agencies, right?
Yeah. So in case of the advertising agency, we have one of the biggest on the West Coast, which is serving the biggest US retailer, but I cannot disclose. In Asia, we have Seedpost, which is handling advertising campaigns for Kia, the motor cars. We also have one of the biggest telecoms in terms of profits in Europe as a cloud service provider for their end customers.
How did you acquire them? How did they come to you?
Up so far, it's always been inbound. So they found us. We're one of the very few solutions, and we rank at the top 2 or 3 positions when you type image recognition API, image tagging API, and so on. So they escalated from just inbound traffic to enterprise customers.
Okay.
Hello again. Made some good progress. We met before. You do about 3,000 objects right now, right? But what's the number of objects you need to be able to do it completely automated? Because I believe right now you still do some manual tagging, right?
Yeah. So we currently have 3,000 as the core part of the recognition. Maybe a target would be about 5 to have to increase from 85 to 95 term precision. But we also have some additional keywords. So we directly recognize this is a bottle and this is a table, but then we can say bar, nightclub, and something like that, which is not part of these 3,000. They're like additional semantic related keywords.
Thank you very much.